Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum did not get through this resistance area. It did break it though, but it did not go above and hold above it. Yeah, this was the zone we talked about in the previous video between 1,113 and 1,130 US dollars. But we technically invalidated an impulsive move down. Yeah, so what I had labeled here, that this could have been a 5-wave move down, which it probably was. Yeah, so that's not invalidated. But what would be invalidated is that this was only the wave 1 of something. Yeah, because this 5-wave move could have only been a wave 1, this move up a wave 2, and then a move down in a wave 3 would have followed. Now, based on this wave count, this would not be possible anymore. However, what is possible is that this is now a breakout to the upside after a 5-wave move down, which we did expect. Yeah, we expected here this triangle to break out to the downside to reach one of the target levels. One target level was here $880. We came pretty much towards it. I think ended a little bit higher, but anywhere here could be the low, could have been the low. Maybe the low is already in, which means we now start the recovery, which is not guaranteed yet. Okay, it is not guaranteed. I would still like to see price action above 1254. But we can be very careful in saying the low might be in, because we can count an impulse here and we don't need to even go the way of a leading diagonal. We can very clearly count a first impulsive move up. We can count a 1, we can count a 2, we can count a 3, we can count a 4, and we can count a wave 5. So similar to the Bitcoin chart, I'm actually even a little bit more excited about the Ethereum chart, because this is a very clean and nice impulse that has formed here. And that is what I told you, we can make assumptions about where the low is. And I told you a few days ago, we might literally be in the low. Yeah, a lot of people still expect lower prices at the moment, and that's fine. And I'm not making this yet my primary expectation, but you can put a good case together. And therefore I want to outline and chart this breakout structure. I told you before that as soon as it makes sense to chart a breakout structure, I will do, and I will make you aware of the possibility that the low could be in. And this is literally the first time in this whole downtrend that we can say with confidence the low might be in. Now again, it's not primary expectation yet. I would give it maybe a 45% probability, because we have not yet moved above 1254, and we could still make it work bearish here in a way. But for now, we're going to follow this just because it's very interesting, and because this might really do something, and because a wave 5 ended down here, which is exactly what we wanted really. Yeah? But the reason I'm not making this primary yet is because, again, we haven't really made a significant higher high, which would only occur above the 1255 level, 1254. And also I don't want to hype things here, which we always want to wait for evidence. Everything else would be speculation. So 5 wave moves up, 5 waves move up. That is exactly what we want to see. What we want to see next, and that will give us the clue here, is an ABC move down. Yeah, as I said before, you want to see 5 wave moves up, 5 waves. You want to see a 5 wave move up. You want to see then an ABC down. You want to see a 3 wave structure down. And when we see that, then this could be a good indication that the low really is in. And when you then start up and break that level, then we can really make that primary expectation. So a few people have asked, especially on Telegram here, how far would that wave go down now? So what I would expect, if this is a bullish breakout, which in no way is guaranteed yet, but if this is one, we should find support in the area between, I would say, we already reached the 38.2% fib level, but here very important, I think, for Ethereum, first of all, because it's more volatile than Bitcoin, would be this area here between the 50% Fibonacci retracement level and the 78.6. So I have that target area a little bit lower than on the Bitcoin chart. The reason purely is that here we have support and resistance a little bit lower than on the Bitcoin chart as well. So let me just show you. We have a previous wave 4 here at the 50% Fib retracement, and a wave 1, the same height. So that is $1,018. Then we've got the 61.8% fib level at 986 and the 78.6% fib level at $939. So anywhere here, this is the wave 2 low. So this is an area of support and resistance as well. So I don't think the 38.2 will be sufficient here. It could be, but also we cannot really count 3 waves. So what we would want to see is really a 3-wave structure down, which could look something like that. Maybe this was the wave A already, then we want to see the wave B, then we want to see a wave C here, hitting maybe the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. From here, then we could start to move up because this would be a wave 1, all of this impulse, then the ABC would be a wave 2. What we would be waiting for then is another 5-wave move up, which, however, that wave 2 here would already give us indication. But when we then start to see that move out here, then we could say with more confidence, okay, this might have been a wave 3, this is a wave 4, and this is a wave 5. Then we have a larger impulse, which again then also would be corrected down again. But what would be the target for that wave 3 now, which is coming up? So that would be here. Just roughly assuming we hit here somewhere in the middle of that yellow target area, then this would be the $1,440 level. That would be sort of the target for the wave 4, the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. And from here we can take it from there. That means in that wave 3, we should really break that 1254 level that I want to see to get broken. Okay, so this is really the view about Ethereum. So I'll keep you updated throughout the day. I just want to let you know that, yeah, the impulse is complete. Now we need to see a 3-wave move down. That would give us more confidence. I haven't made it my primary expectation yet, the uptrend. I would only do that above 1254. But yeah, we have a good case that we could make here for the low is in. But again, it's still waiting for confirming price action. A first piece of that confirming price action is done. And now the market needs to prove to us that this really is